Ma Mombasa kochopo chieng' tich ariyo mar juma manyien Mount Ariperekora mar dweni eri. Jochung' mopogore malaro kom Gavana Mombasa kono ero dhi nyime kotimo campaigns e gwenge makono ka gijiwo godo jopiny makono giwuok oko ka rombgi ogonegi ombulu. Yiero mar Gavana ma Mombasa nochor nyime bang' IEBC ne fwenyo ni nitiere chochni moko e otesego eko mag kura. Kama indie kaka migosi Hassan Omar mabende laro kom Gavana makono ero kod UDA kanyakla kod nyawadgi Abdul Swamad Sharif manoero mar ODM ne loso kagi hikore ne yiero makamano ero.
Sisi tunaiomba IEBC wale wote waliosimamia kura ndani ya Likoni, wale wote waliosimamia kura ndani ya Nyali, na wale wote waliosimamia kura ndani ya Changamwe na hapa Mvita, hatutaki kuwaona siku ya kura hii inayokuja.
Hii ni serikali ya Mombasa, ya watu wa Mombasa. Haihusiani na serikali kuu. Uchaguzi huu, these elections are for the people of Mombasa. And I know other people want to ride on others' purported successes without necessarily stating what the situation on the ground is. Situation on the ground is very, very simple. We have about almost 90% of the MCAs. We have 5 out of 6 members of parliament. We have the senator and the women rep. And come Tuesday, they try to delay these results, but they can't deny these results. Come Tuesday, the governor will be Abdul Swamad Sharif Nasir.